so basic. Hello, everyone. It's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. How do you choose to be to feel today? Well, I am going to choose to feel, I guess probably like the rest of you, a little bit frustrated that I'm just getting my Ipsy bag, but I know there's a lot of you guys out there who are still waiting for your Ipsy bag. And I'm wondering, I know Ipsy sent out a message to some people saying that it was going to be late this month. I'm wondering if that's due to the fact that 3 boxes came out this month for Ipsy, the Glambag, the Plus bag, and the X box. I wonder if that's why they're so late this month, but I know there's a lot of people who haven't got their tracking yet. Just left the warehouse, or it's in that stage of leaving the States, coming into Canada, which takes about a week as well. So just an FYI, if you are one of those people waiting for Ipsy, or if you received tracking and it's like just been such a long time, it seems, days and days and days. If you have not received your bag, I think it's in 15 days, or if your bag hasn't moved, or you got tracking and 15 days later you still haven't received your bag, but it's got to be 15 business days. It used to be 10. I think now they bumped it up to 15. So if it was within 15 business days from the time you got your tracking till now, and you haven't received your bag, always tweet them. If you don't have Twitter, the only reason to go on Twitter, because it's the devil's playground over there, it's just a lot of negativity over there. But one of the best reasons to be on Twitter is because I always found that I had the best service with Ipsy, look fantastic, through Twitter, at Ipsy Care. So if you're still waiting, Twitter, at Ipsy Care. I've always found, for me personally, it's always been the best, fastest response from Ipsy that way. And I always got something that way, because email is like, sorry, sucks for you kind of thing. Anyways, with all that said and done, I got my Ipsy bag. This one I get shipped to me here directly to Canada, because last month I forgot to cancel the regular Ipsy bag because I'm using the shipping company for the Plus and the X box. I'm in Toronto. I get the Plus and the X box. I use a shipping company. If you want to find out how much that cost me, and I think it's probably best if you live in the Toronto area. If you want to find out how much that cost, I'll leave my videos here for the Plus and when I first did it, explaining how I did it and how much it cost and everything. But I forgot last month to actually delete or cancel the Ipsy regular bag on my US account. And I got it shipped through the shipping company, which cost me a lot more money than just having it shipped here to Canada. So I canceled the regular Ipsy bag on the US account, opened up another account with Ipsy for the Canadian account. So this got shipped to me here in Canada. So now I got to find out what's in my bag. Remember, everybody, Ipsy add-ons is tomorrow morning. Yay. Add-ons and spoilers tomorrow morning. I'm hoping there's some good stuff. I haven't seen many spoilers that I'm like, yes, gotta have it. So I'm hoping, but like I said, I love makeup. I want makeup. I don't want a lot of skincare, and I just see a lot of skincare coming. So if you love skincare, girl, I swear that's all I see is skincare. Anyways, now that I have my phone on my actual bag, let's see if I got everything I was supposed to get in my bag, and I think I did, because I'm pulling out the first thing already. I wasn't happy with this bag this month because it's mostly skincare, which my profile is set at the age of 21. And I have not one thing in skincare ticked off on my profile. Oh, this was an add-on. So I did buy this. This was $3 US. It was the add-on that I chose. I think I only chose one add-on. Yep. So I only ordered one add-on. It's the Olaplex number 3. I have no idea what it's for, but it repairs and strengthens all hair types. Yay. I need that because I know there's lots of Olaplexes. What are you supposed to do with this? Use 1 time per week before shampoo, not a conditioner. It's a bond builder. Okay. 1 time per week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damped hair, towel dried hair. Put a generous amount from scalp to ends. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, long if desired. Rinse from hair. Then best results, always use the shampoo conditioner that of the same brand. But listen, girl, Dove shampoo, best shampoo out there. Dove shampoo and conditioner, best shampoo and conditioner I've ever used. I've used all the expensive ones in Sephora. I love my Dove shampoo and conditioner. Nothing else can beat it. But this is awesome. I can't wait to give this a try. I love hair care. I love hair mask, leave-in hair conditioner, stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to pull out the bag, and this is what the bag looks like for May, even though it's June 1st. Happy June 1st, everybody. So this is the May bag, and I'm going to pull out what else we have in here. Oh, I think they sent me a gift for signing up. Yes, all right. Because, like I said, I resubscribed to an old account, which I have to do again in August when I get the Xbox. I have to resubscribe to another old account because I want to get the Glambag Plus in August. Anyways, that's neither here or there with this video. So this is the free gift they gave me, which was the Violet Voss Essentials number 2. Now, I have seen this eyeshadow palette. I don't have it personally, but I know I have seen it in Boxycharm a bunch of times. I think it's this one that we've seen in Boxycharm, isn't it? I don't know what this Essentials look like, so we're going to see here now if it's my shades. And, well, I like the top row for sure. So these are the shades. The top row, definitely me. You know, I'm a neutral girl. I like this. I don't wear blues. And I don't know if I would dangle with these ones here. They're pretty purples. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Not sure. But the top row for sure, love. I just don't wear blues. I personally don't like blues on me. But on you, girl, you rock the blues, okay? But for me, no, girl, I don't like it. But you rock the blues. I don't know so much about these two. I don't know. They're pretty little purples. We'll have to maybe. I wear purples. So maybe we'll try it out. But the blue sky and the aqua, they're very pretty colors. The copper is a pretty color as well. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know yet what I'm going to do with this palette. But yay, freebie. And I didn't know what I was getting. I didn't even know I was getting a freebie until I read that somebody else had gotten a freebie because they resubscribed. And I'm like, oh, I don't even know if I got... I didn't get any mention that I was getting a freebie, but that's what it is. So cool. Okay, so I'm going to pull this out because this is in my bag. And it is the Complex Culture, which I love these brushes. I've used my blender. I have 2 of these. I use my Complex Culture blender today. Love these brushes. If you ever see them as an add-on or a choice, if I don't have it, I get it, you know. I would probably get more of these and more of the highlight ones. Those are my favorite 2 brushes from Complex Culture. The blending one and, where are you? The highlight brushes. I love these brushes from Complex Culture. So if I ever seen this as an add-on or a choice, I would definitely pick it again because I love those brushes. So this is the Easy Crease. Ooh, okay. So we have an Easy Crease Definer. I don't have this. See how it's kind of like bunched in, I guess, where it was in the bag. You see that? So I guess after I wash that a few times, it might come a little bit looser so it's not squish, because it's kind of squished right now. And I don't think it's supposed to look like that. Are you supposed to be squished? I don't think she's supposed to have like the indents here that they have, you know? So yeah, once I wash it, it'd be perfect. But this was in my bag. Very happy that this was in my bag. This brush on its own is $18 US. So that pays for the bag, right? Because the bag cost me $19 and change. So just the brush alone is the price of the bag. Yay, like that. Okay, now for the rest of the bag. It's not my jam. I chose this. This was a choice that I chose, and I don't think it's my shade. It is the Balm Tinted Moisturizer in number 26, which I love it when we get a deluxe size of a foundation or a concealer. in our bag. I love that. I have a lot from Ipsy that I've been using for a long time. These last for a long freaking time. Let's see. I don't think this is going to be my shade, though. Shade 26, girl. She's dark. This is the shade here. It's a tinted moisturizer. It's kind of like on the warm side, I think, for me. And I don't know why they gave me shade 26. I will try it and see. I will try it one day, see what I think of it. But it's a tinted moisturizer. And what I do like about it is that there is a tint to it. Like, there's a good tint to this, you know? It's like a light foundation, which I like because every tinted moisturizer I've ever tried, there was no tint at all, and it just looked like moisturizer to me. So I like the fact that there's some tint to this. So I will try it. We'll try and see. I don't think this has a price on it, though. Not for deluxe size. It's 7 ml. Full size of this is not telling me. But I know it's at Shoppers Drug Mart here. Okay, now this dirty little bugger, because you know how much I love this brand, burns my skin like I just put hot grease all over me. This dirty little bugger. And you know, I've let Ipsy know a bunch of times, do not put this in my bag. I just can't use this brand. This is a mineral body lotion in Spring Blossom. And guys, I talked about this, I think, on my live one night or on a video, and I can't remember. And I told somebody really likes this, and I had said, I'll send it to you. And for the life of me, I think, or I was trading it. I think I was trading it. I don't know who I was trading this with. So if you're watching this video and we were trading, let me know. Send me a message. Because I was trading with somebody. I was trading this with somebody and I don't remember. I don't remember. Oh, gosh. Anyway, if you remember, please let me know. I don't remember. But I know I was trading that with somebody. Oh, and there is a card. There's a card. We Love Mom's Mother's Day giveaway. Long gone past, girl. That's long gone past now. Full size of this would cost you $24 US. Full size of this is $31. Yay. I don't like you. I took lotions off. I put lotions on. I ticked it off. I haven't had lotions on my Ipsy profile in years, right? But I clicked it on because I seen, oh, there's some nice lotions coming and I'm out of body lotion. And of course, I go and tick it, say, yeah, send me lotions. And what do they do? What do those little buggers do? They send me the one brand that I can't wear, you know? So I ticked it off again. And I'm like, okay, just don't send me any more body lotions, okay? I'm going to have to send them another message saying, not that. Never send me a Hava, ever. Because I know there was something, some people had it on their profile where they were able to choose 2 or 3 brands that they never wanted anything from. It never came on my profile. So I'm just going to send them a message and say, just do it. Anyways, the next thing in my bag, like I said, all skincare, is this from Hannah Lee. And this is a lip balm, which I am trading with somebody. The Minty Balm. Its mint is made with coconut and kukua nut oil, straight from Hawaii. Full size price of this is $6, and this is obviously full size, and it's $6 US. So this is in coconut pear. That's what it's saying. The flavor is coconut pear, and I'm trading that with somebody. And then last in my bag is this, and I don't have eye cream ticked off either because I got lots of eye cream. And this is Glow on the 5th Bye Bye Puffy Eyes. It's got plastic over it. I'm not going to open it up because, you know, I might be able to trade it or something. And you know what bothers me? That there was nice makeup last month. Like, there was some really nice makeup. And they put all skincare in my bag. So that kind of bothers me. Well, except for the brush. And I chose the moisturizer, the tinted moisturizer. And then the other 3 were skincare. And there was, like, great makeup, you know? So, yeah. We got an eye, deluxe size. Full size of this is $24. Under eyes in need of a wake-up call, this cooling eye balm has you covered. It's infused with caffeine, shea butter, and berry extract. Reduce puffiness, refresh tired-looking skin. Like, I could say I can use it, but I have so much eye cream. I got 2 in my bathroom. And I love my Knotty. My Knotty eye cream is what I've been using, like, religiously for 2 years now, 3 years now. I love this eye cream, which I do have to get more. I would never buy it full size, though, because it's $115, something crazy like that. I have 2 there, and I got 1 in my bathroom. And I'm sure if I look in here, I have more samples of eye cream from somewhere, right? So, yeah, I don't need any more eye cream, but anyways, it is what it is. But they had some really, really good makeup, and I'm bummed because they had some really good makeup. When you go on Ipsy, and it says see all products, and you scroll down and you see all the great makeup, you know? Sugar Cosmetics has a beautiful little blush. I could have had the Coco Cabana. I mean, why wouldn't they send me the Coco Cabana, you know, cream? Not the Jojoba, which I've asked them 1,000 times not to. A beautiful blush they had from the Balm. A beautiful lipstick from ABH, which looks like it could have been my shade. Yeah. Sugar Cosmetics had some cute little lip crayons. And nail polish. I would have taken the nail polish, you know. They had other foundation from Undone Beauty. I kind of wish I had that one in my bag. But did anyone get that? The deluxe size of the Undone Beauty foundation? Oh, it's from matte. Okay, that's why it's a matte foundation. I get it now. NARS Cosmetics. Look like that lipstick is really pretty. Complex Culture. I really, really wanted to try the concealer from Complex Culture. That wasn't in my bag. Yeah, I can go on and on as I scroll down here and say that there were some really nice makeup items in here. If they had to go by my profile, but they didn't. Dirty Little Buggers. What have I got on my hands? Mascara. Oh. Dirty Little Buggers. But for $20, I mean, the brush is everything for me. It's $18 US. You know, so I got the brush, and I got the moisturizer. So I'll get to try these 2, the tinted moisturizer and the brush. This is being traded. This is being traded. And who knows, I might get lucky and be able to trade the eye cream, right? So it was a $19 and change is what I paid for the bag. You know, not very happy with what my Ipsy was for the month of May, but I'm hoping tomorrow it's better. Fingers crossed, you know, for me personally, that it's pretty much all makeup. Again, I know some of you, you know, what did I choose? What was my choice for June? I can't remember. What was my choice for June, everybody? Well, isn't that something? Don't remember what I chose for June, but anyway, it's probably makeup, and I'm hoping June bag is all makeup. Fingers crossed. Anyways, I hope you're having a great day. I will see you tomorrow with what video, I don't know. It'll be a surprise, just like my dinners this week has been a surprise. Some have been great, and some others have been terrible. I'm never cooking with lemons again. Just saying. Never cooking with lemons again. It just don't work in my house, okay? Anyways, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to like my video. Bye. Love you.